Today we're gonna take a quick peek around and see what the team have been up to. Behind me, you can see we've got a temporary wall that's shoring up a beam above. That's being done because there's a point load below there that was recently replaced. We don't have many people on site today because we are waiting for the remaining steel to get fabricated, and we had to get a whole bunch of work done first before we could get that done. So let's jump downstairs and check out and see what we've been up to. So here we are downstairs. You can see that we have got some new concrete right here, and we have now finished backfilling, getting that all cleaned up, and we've repaired the insulation that goes around it. So that is gonna receive a point load on top of it. And then carrying over here, got the same thing happening right there. Again, another new point load coming in here, same deal here. The other thing that the team have been working on is figuring out what we need to open up for the plumbers in terms of drainage. So it doesn't look like we've done anything here, but there's actually a ton of concrete underneath that insulation, and that concrete is tied into this foundation wall. And that's gonna support a new point load that's gonna fall on there. Same situation holds true over here. So again, we've got all the work done. We've got the insulation that goes underneath the radiant floors back in. We've got the poly on top of that, ready to go. That chunk of wall right there in the middle of the frame is new. So that's what the team have been working on here. We will, in 2 weeks' time, hopefully see some steel starting to go into the ceiling. So absolutely invite you to stay tuned, keep watching, and ask any questions. Always looking at the comments and looking to answer whatever questions you might have. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.